매놓고 또 가니와 이것이 너입니까 하루여워 네 귓가 외로가로 하루스완 난 선호하시나도 미치겠다는 팔로 웃고 말해도 my shadows 히카리는 후라가 와리 소매타 아이 날 kimiだけが知るmy answer途切れる前に時が流れるほど深まる君の
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be another tutorial, and suddenly it got really dark in my room, so I don't know what's happening. But yeah, today is going to be another tutorial because I just feel like doing a lot of tutorials, and yes, they are like the quickest videos to do and the most enjoyable videos for me to do. Yes, I kind of look crazy because I'm currently trying out a new foundation, and this one is way too light for me. Like, I'm not sure if you can see it, but in the viewfinder I look like a ghost. In real life I still look like a ghost. So, but I kind of tried to balance it out using a shit ton of bronzer. But yeah, this is like the best I can do. So don't judge me. I know that I look like pale and ghost-like, that's sad, but please just ignore that fact. This is the look that I'm going to show you in this video. This is my everyday natural glam look. This is something I would totally wear on a daily basis because it's really natural but still really glam, but nothing too much. So yeah, for some it might be a little bit too much, and for some it's not. But yeah, I really like it. If you want to see how I got this makeup look and how the foundation looks at the beginning, then just keep on watching and I will see you in a bit. So we're starting off with a clean and fresh face. I just applied the foundation all over my face, and yes, I was thinking like, will it match or not, but clearly it didn't. Then I just blend it out using a sponge, and with this foundation it was really hard for me to blend out, and it looked really dry on my skin. It was not good at all, plus the color looked awful. So to fix it a little bit, I used a darker foundation and just applied it onto the perimeter of my face, and I don't know if it worked. It still looked really light. Then I applied my concealer, and the funny thing is that even my lightest concealer was too dark for this foundation, and I had to set this foundation and it looked even drier. Then going into Optimistic by the BubzBeauty palette, I applied it all over my eyelids with a fluffy brush. Then going into Inspired, a really pretty dark brown, I applied it onto the outer corners of my eyes and a little bit onto the lower lashes. Then going into this really pretty gold shade, which is called Charismatic, and this is so pretty. Going back into Optimistic, I blend out the edges, making everything more beautiful and seamlessly, and also Inspired. I use a little bit of Inspired as well. Then going into Confident, which is a really pretty plum purpley shade. Then I applied some mascara, and this one is the Maybelline Total Temptation mascara. Then for lashes, I will link them down below because they are so pretty. And while the eyelashes is drying, I just applied my usual eyeliner, which is nothing too special. Yeah, seems like I was really feeling that song. But yeah, I just applied the lashes, and as you can tell, they are really pretty. They are so beautiful. Then I used Inspired for my eyebrows because I ran out of my usual eyebrow pencil. Yeah, so this is what I used. And then I went into the Shaaanxo palette and used the dark brown just to make my eyebrows look less warm and reddish, I guess. Yes. Then this step, I feel like I do it in every single makeup look that I do, but it's just something I really enjoy. I just love it. Then going into Champagne Pop, I use it as my brow bone highlighter. And here comes the part where I really try hard to fix my foundation. I use a shit ton of bronzer and I had to blend everything. And by doing that, my face looked even drier than it was before. And I wasn't feeling it. I really wasn't. Then I went into a really pretty mauvey rosy blush and applied it onto my cheeks. And yes, I wasn't really satisfied with my base. It looked really dry and so crusty and cakey. Nope. But fun things, highlighter, and I used the Champagne Pop again. And I always forget how beautiful it looks. It's amazing, it's so beautiful. So to make my face look less cakey and dry and crusty and disgusting, I just spread some face mist onto my face, and I have to say that it really helped a lot. It just melted everything together and it looks 100% better than before. And here you can tell that I was like looking into the mirror. Yes. Okay, moving on to lips. You may recognize this one. This is the Maybelline SuperStay Matte Ink. I used it in my first impression video, and since then I'm obsessed with it. And here I'm just quickly contour my nose a little bit. And yes, that's the final look. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, then subscribe to my channel. That would make my day. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye!